So for the art stream in the Bachelor of Game Development, we look at everything from fundamentals of bundling to texturing our models, working through the art pipeline. We look at character design, lighting and visual effects, and learning to design modularity for game environments, advanced lighting and visual effects. We teach character pipelines, so starting a concept of a character, working through to modeling. We look at introduction to modeling and understanding how to build those models. We look at texturing. We look at also the optimization of games as well, which is an integral part of the art. Every single semester there is collaborative work. We teach those soft skills with game development, look at the production side of game development. Seeing those projects come out from each of those semesters is always really exciting. The other thing is the degree currently supports an internship program. So that's also one of the more exciting parts to what we do.